Book 6, Jesus hemi teacher and hem man for healing people. Hello friends, come and meet him one fella long all kita big fella teacher. Name long this fella teacher hem Jesus. Time you listen long cassette, you look long all kita picture. You look long next picture time you hear him this fella sound. Picture 1. Jesus hemi teach him o kita people. Look him long Matthew chapter 5. Inside long this fella picture, Jesus him teach him o kita people about God. God hemi work him yumi everyone and him now one fella true God. People o kita separate from God because long sin and every rubbish way belong all kita. But God hemi love him every people. Jesus hemi come from God. Hemi save long every something about God because hemi son belong God. Jesus him teach him o kita people for o kita save more long God. You listen, by me tell you one him now Jesus him teach him long all kita people. Time you hear him, by you save long this fella true God too. Picture 2. Two fella house. Matthew chapter 7 verse 24 go kasim 27. Jesus hemi tell him one fella story about two fella man, two fella work him, two fella house. One fella man hemi work him house belong him long place where hemi garem all kita stone. And him now him good fella place for work him house. Time big fella wind and rain hemi come, this fella house him no fall down. One fella man him work him house belong him long sand. Time big fella wind and rain hemi come, this fella house hemi fall down. Yumi must build him life belong Yumi long strong fella ground. And strong fella ground now hemi teaching belong Jesus. If Yumi obey him teaching about God, by Yumi strong, long life belong Yumi, time Yumi go inside long trouble. And also Satan him no save win him Yumi too. Picture 3. Where light him stop, Yumi save look him. Matthew chapter 5 verse 14, go kasim verse 16. One him now you do him wait him light where him stop long dark. One fella man inside long this fella picture, him hold him light belong him high. Make him give him light long everyone inside long house. One fella man him karange and him hide him light belong him underneath long one fella basket. Jesus now him light long this fella world. Him show him Yumi way for go long God. Time Yumi obey him talk belong God. O kata narafala people save look him light belong God long Yumi. Jesus him say also, let him light belong you him sign for narafala people. Make him o kata look him, o kata good fella work, you work him. Yumi must no hide him, this fella light belong God. But let him all kita narafal people for look him and hear him about him Jesus. Then plan the people save come for save more long God. Picture 4. One fella man long Rome hemi hit him, one fella man long Jew. Matthew chapter 5 verse 38 go kasim verse 42. Look him, one fella soldier long Rome hemi hit him, one fella man long Jew. This fella man hemi take him two kaleko belong this fella man. One him now this fella man must do him. Jesus hemi tell him o kata people all same. You must no sense him wrong long man where hemi do him something wrong long you. Suppose one fella man hemi hit him you long right side long face belong you, let him hemi hit him you long left side long face belong you too. Suppose one fella man him take him short belong you, let him take him coat belong you too. You me should not sense him wrong where arfal people make him long you me. God him say him now by him sense him wrong where okata man okata make him long you me. Long time long this fella life or behind long time okata die. God him say, you me must do him something good long all kata man we o kata do him something wrong long you me. Picture 5. How for prayer long God. Matthew chapter 6 verse 5 go kasem verse 15. Inside long this fala picture, two fala man to fala prayer long God. One fala man hemi stand up long road and hemi pray long fala prayer. This fala man him like him no more for okay people look him and praise him. God him no save answer him prayer all same. Jesus him say all same. Suppose you like him prayer, you go inside long room belong you and you pray long Father belong you long heaven. Daddy belong you, hemi look him one him you do him hide and by hemi reward him you. God hemi save long okata something you may need him. You me should not tell him every time. You me should worship him God and pray for narafal people too. You me must ask him for forgiving you me about okata wrong where you me do him. And you me ask him for keeping you me from Satan and okata rubbish way belong him. Picture 6. Okata rubbish man okata plant them okata rubbish seed. Matthew chapter 13 verse 24 go kasem verse 30 and verse 36 go kasem 43. Okata rubbish man okata plant them okata rubbish seed inside long new fala garden. All kete now all keta enemy belong this fala man where hemi onem this fala garden. This fala man hemi onam garden hem not take him out okata rubbish weed. No good hemi take him out okata good fala weed. Hemi wait go time hemi harvest him garden. Then by hemi separate him okata good fala crop and him bonem all keta rubbish weed. Friends, Satan hemi plant them all keta rubbish people belong him middle long all keta good fala people belong God. Inside long this fala world. Long right time belong him by Jesus hemi come back more. Him by separating oketa rubbish people from all keta who obey God. Jesus by him take him all keta belong him for him seleva. But all keta way oketa evil by oketa throw way oketa inside long fire, long hell. Picture 7. Jesus waiting oketa pikinini. Matthew chapter 18 verse 1 go kasem verse 6, chapter 19 verse 13 go kasem verse 15. One day, some fala people oketa take him come oketa pikinin belong all keta long Jesus. All keta like him Jesus for touch him all keta pikinini and for prayer for all keta. Oket man we follow Jesus oket like send him away oket pikininya from Jesus. But Jesus him no happy wait him oketa people we follow him and him say, let him oket pikinin come long me, you fall no stop him all keta. Kingdom belong God, him belong all keta pikinin all same. Jesus him talk more all same long oket people we oket follow him. Suppose you know change all same oket pikinin niya, you know fit for go long kingdom belong God. This fella him minim, who long you fall now hemi humble all same this fella pikinin, hemi save go long kingdom belong God. Friends, oketa people we oketa look high long oketa seleva and oketa look down long arfal people, oket no fit for follow him Jesus. Picture 8. Shepherd and all keta sheep. Matthew chapter 18 verse 12 go kasim verse 14. Jesus him tell him one fala story. One fala man hemi garem 100 sheep. One fala sheep hemi go out and hemi lose. Manya hemi go look out him nara fala sheep we hemi lose. Time hemi find him this fala one fala sheep hemi happy too much. Winning more all keta 99 where oketa no lose. Long same way too, God him no like him for anyone for lose and separate from him. Because all kita follow him way belong Satan. Jesus now him a good shepherd because him come for take him back man and Mary where okata lose from God. Picture 9. Workman where him no save forgive. Matthew chapter 18 verse 21 go kasim verse 35. One fellow workman hemi owe him king staka selling where him no save pay him back. King hemi order mania for oketa selem him. Him also one fellow labor. This fellow workman ya hemi ask him king for him sorry long him. So king ya hemi willing for let him go free. This fellow workman hemi find him nara fellow workman where hemi owe him to some fellow selling. This fellow rubbish workman hemi calls up no more hemi kill him this fellow workman and him put him inside long cellar. All kita ara fellow workman all kita go and tell him king one hemi happen. This fellow king hemi cross and hemi say long this fellow wicked workman. You should show him sorry long nara fellow workman. Also me show him sorry long you too. And king ya him put him this fellow workman long cellar for good now. Friends, God by him forgive him you me from all kita wrong you me been doing. But you me must forgive him too all kita narafal people where all kita do him wrong long you me. Picture 10. All kita workman, all kita take him pay. Matthew chapter 20 verse 1 go kasim verse 16. All kita workman ya all kita come for receiving pay belong all kita. This fellow man who hemi come first time for receiving pay, all kita take him for work late long day. Him do him lelebet work no more. But this fellow man who hemi on him land, hemi kind. Hemi give him this fellow man one fellow coin, where him now him pay belong one fellow day. Nara fellow man hemi work for half day. One fellow man hemi work for full day, but all kita receive him no more one fellow same pay. This fellow man hemi work full day, hemi complain. Hemi like him staka selling. And this fellow land owner hemi say, friend, me no do him wrong long you. You agree for work for one coin. Me got him right for do him one and me like him waiting money belong me. Was where you cross because me kind waiting money belong me? Him also too. God by give him life where him no save finish for everyone who trust him Jesus. This one him no pay for something you do him good. Him is something where God him give him free for everyone who take him this fellow kind gift. Picture 11. 5 fellow mere outside long door. Matthew chapter 25 verse 1 go kasim verse 13. Jesus tell him this fellow story about 10 fellow women. All kita been waiting one fellow married feast for start. Sick no more this fellow man for married him come now long middle long night. 5 fellow mere okata ready for meeting him. Okata light him light blong okata and okata go waiting him. But 5 fellow long okata woman ya okat no garem good fal ting ting. Okat no garem oil inside light blong all kita. Okat must go and buy him some fal oil. Time okata go no more draw long house ya him sat now. Time okat come back okata cry and sing out and okat say, let me fal come inside. But this fal man for married ya him say, me no save long you fala. All kita friends, Jesus long heaven now. One fala day by him come back long this fala ground. You me no save what time now this fala. You me must rere for meeting him. Jesus by him take him okata who now okat believe long him. But oketa who, oket no ready for him, by oket no go long heaven. Picture 12. Master waiting oketa workman blong him. Matthew chapter 25 verse 14 go kasim verse 30. How now bayumi make rere for come back blong Jesus. Big fella man inside long this fella picture, him just come back long home. Time him go away, all keta workman blong him, or keta lookout him, all keta money blong him. Two fella workman, two fella work wait him money, him give him two fella. Time this fella master him come back, him reward him two fella. But make it three workman, him hide him money blong master blong him. Him not take him any selling on top. Master ya him cross because workman blong him less. Him rouse him this fellow workman blong him from house blong him. Jesus him like him yumi for work for him go him come back. Yumi must love him arfal people and teach him olketa about God. And Jesus by him say, welcome, you fella come and share him happiness blong master. Jesus this fella man who himself heal him people. Jesus him teach him people about God. And him show him too that him got him big fella power from God. Picture 13. Jesus him baptized. Mark chapter 1 verse 4 go kasim verse 11. Plan the year go finish long Israel one fella man named long him John the Baptist. Hemi warn him okata people that okata should turn from okata evil way blong olketa. Okat we okata believe long John okata baptize long water. Hem now hemi way for show him that olketa like him God for forgive him sin blong olketa and clean him life blong olketa. Sin hemi one fala something where hemi make him God hem no happy. John hemi say, after me by one fella man where hemi garem more power winning me by him come. Hem by baptize him you with him Holy Spirit blong God. Then Jesus hemi come long John. Hem no been seen, but hemi like him for baptize. Time Jesus him come out long water, one fella surprise something him happen. Holy Spirit blong God him come antap long him or same dove. One fella voice hemi come long heaven and hemi say, this fella picnin him blong me happy wait him. From that time Jesus hemi do him staka miracle, and people look him that him got him power blong God. Picture 14. Jesus him call him people for help. Mark chapter 1 verse 14 go kasim verse 20. Jesus him like him people for help him. Him like for teach him all keta about him God make him oketa savetalem narafal people. One fall day Jesus hemi walk about follow water and hemi looking for fala fisherman. Jesus him say long all keta, come follow me and by me make him you fala save kas holem man. All keta leave him fishing net blong all keta straight away o keta go wait him Jesus. Hemi use him narafala 8 falman more. All keta 12 falmania now, all keta all same special people blong him. All keta mania o keta call him all keta disciple. All keta look him o keta miracle Jesus him make him and o keta save him from God. Suppose you may follow him, Jesus, and if you obey him, you may save him from God too. Hemi like for teach him you me about God, make him you me save teach him arafal people too. Picture 15. Man wait him leprosy. Mark chapter 1 verse 10 go kasim verse 45. One day, one falaman who hem garem leprosy hem come long Jesus. Hemi kneel long leg long Jesus and hemi say, suppose you willing you save making me clean. All kita nara people o kita fright for go calls up long this fala man we him garem sick. But Jesus him feel sorry for this fal man. Jesus touch him and him say, "Me willing, you clean now." Then no more, mania him heal straight away from leprosy blong him. Him happy to mas and him tell him everyone. Friends, sin hemi also leprosy, hemi separate me from God. But suppose you come long Jesus, hemi save clean me from okata sin blong me. Picture 16, one falaman okat tekem kam long roof. Mark chapter 2 verse 1 go kasim verse 12. Jesus him stop inside long one fala house him teaching people about God. Four falaman okata tekem kam one falaman him paralyzed long Jesus. But okata no take him go inside because taka man inside. So okata make him one fala hole inside long roof and okata put him go down this fala man inside. Jesus him say long this fala sick man, "My son, okata sin blong you hemi forgiven." Some fala leader long Jews okata cross long Jesus. All kata say, God no more him save forgive him sin. Okat no believe him Jesus him from God ya. And Jesus him say long this falaman, "You get up and take a mat blong you and you go long home blong you." This falaman him heal now. Jesus him saw him all keta that him from God. Him garem power for forgive him sin blong you me, also him too him garem power for heal him sick blong you me. Picture 17, Jesus him heal him hand blong one falaman. Mark chapter 3 verse 1 go kasim verse 5. Here you me look him Jesus wait him oketa leader long Jew. This one hemi special day long week time oketa Jew oketa worship him God. Law blong oketa hemi say that long this fala day no anyone must work. One falaman who hem garem han where hemi paralyzed. All keta Jew look for Jesus for find him out by hemi heal him this falaman. Jesus him care for oketa people, but all keta no moya. All keta like him Jesus for break him law blong all keta make him oketa kill him Jesus. Jesus him ask him oketa leaders and him say, "One him now law blong you me him say for you me do him long this fall day. You me help him people or you me spoil him all keta." Oketa Juya oket no tell him one fall something now. And Jesus him say long this fall man, "You straight him out hand blong you." And him straight him out hand blong him. Everyone look him, hand blong him straight and him strong now. Friends, you me must worship him God and care for nara people. No good worship blong you me long God, hemi no mean him anything and hemi empty no more. Picture 18, Jesus him stop him strong following. Mark chapter 4 verse 35, go kasim verse 41. Jesus and okata disciples blong him okata go across long one fala lake. Sick one time one fala strong wind hemi blow come. Water him come inside and this fala boat hemi start for go down now. Jesus him sleep behind long boat. Okata disciples blow him wake him and say, "Teacher, you no care no more. You me calls up Dinaya." Jesus him get up and him say long wind and okata waves, "You fella stop quiet." Quick time no more this fella, big fella wind him stop. Jesus him say lo okat disciples blow him, "Was way now you fella fright? Was way you fella not trust in me?" Okata disciples ya okata surprise now and okata say, "Who na this fella man? No mata okata wind and wave okata obey him." Friends, Jesus him garem power over all kita creation. You me must trust him and you me no fright. Picture 19. One fella mere long big fella crowd. Mark chapter 5 verse 25 go kasem verse 34. Woman inside long this fella crowd hemi sick for 12 years. Hemi save Jesus hemi save heal him man, but hemi fright for talk wait him. Hemi say long hem seleva, suppose me touch him no more kale ko blong hem, me save by me heal. So this fella woman him touch him no more kale ko blong Jesus and him heal. Jesus him feel him this fella time, also him power blong him hemi go away from him. Jesus him stop and him say, who now him call him kale ko blong me? Him garem plan the people around Jesus, but this fella woman him save Jesus him minim him ya. Him come with him fright and him kneel long leg blong Jesus. And Jesus him say long him, faith blong you him make him you heal. You go wait him peace. Him garem plan the people long this fal world, and Jesus him care for oketa. Him he care for you too. Him like him you for come long him and trust him. Picture 20. Jesus and Pikinini where hemi die. Mark chapter 5 verse 22 go kasem verse 24, verse 35 go kasem verse 43. Jairus hemi one fala important man. Daughter blong hemi sick too mas. Hem call him Jesus for come heal him. And before Jesus him arrive, this fella Pikinini him die now. And Jesus him say long Jairus, you no fright, you believe no more. Oketa people oketa cry and sorry to mas, but Jesus hemi send him oketa go away. Hemi take him Jairus and wife blong him go inside long this fella house where this fella Pikinini hemi die inside. Jesus him hold him hand blong this fella girl and hemi say, small girl you get up. Quick time no more this fella girl hemi get up and oketa give him kai for hemi kai. Die hemi one fella, big fella weapon belong Satan, but Jesus hemi garem power over this fella strong belong die. Oket we oketa believe him and follow him, oketa no fit for fright. Jesus hemi win him Satan, sin and die.
Picture 21. Jesus and one fellow woman. Mark chapter 7, verse 24 or kasem verse 30. One day, one fellow woman hemi come long Jesus. Simul girl blame one fellow spirit no good hemi kasim him. Hemi ask him Jesus for rose him this fellow spirit no good ya. Jesus hemi one fellow due and hemi come for help him got the due no more. Was we him save help him got the different people from own people belong him? Hemi also you feed him got the doggy time got the picking blue hemi hungry. But woman hemi say long him. No matter what the doggy too save came little bit keke where hemi fallen from table. Jesus hemi say long him, believe blue hemi too much now. One of you like him, baby you take him. Time woman hemi go back long house, hemi look him awesome spirit no good ya, hemi leave him picking girl blame no. Jesus hemi love him and help him everyone no more. Jesus hemi like him imi for trust him no matter where imi stop or where na imi come from. Picture 22. Jesus with him this man where ye blame no good and him no sabe tok ya. Mark 7 verse 31 go kasem verse 37. Some fellow man got take one fellow man come long Jesus. Ye blame him no good, time him born and him no sabe tok good. Jesus him put him got the figures blow him, he said long ye blow this man. Then him hold him tongue blow this man ya. Jesus him look go up long Father blame long heaven and him say long this man, you open now. Quick time no more this man him sabe here mo got tok and him sabe talk good now. All the people suppress too much now and all say Jesus him said him everything good to us. Him even make him got man ye blow got no good ya sabe hear him something and even got man no sabe talk ya or sabe talk now. Jesus hemi sabe open him ear blo imi too. For imi sabe hear him, and imi sabe long word blo God inside long Bible. This one imi sabe praise him Jesus long him, and imi sabe tell him about Jesus song samfala more. Picture 23, Jesus hem making one for a man him blind for him look more. Mark chapter 8 verse 22 and verse 26. One for a time, Jesus him leading one for a man I blame no good outside the one for the village. Him make him I blow this man him too with him speak blong him, and him say you look him any something now? This man him say me look little bit now. Me look him got the people but him also got the tree walk about. Jesus him touch him more I blow this man eh. This time now him sabi look him Jesus and everyone clear to us. Our the friends Satan him sabi make him I blow me him blind and even though sabi look him and sabi long truth about Jesus. Imi must ask him Jesus for open him got the eye belong imi and eye belong spirits belong imi too. This one never by him help him imi for sabi long true something about him too. Picture 24. Jesus am healing one for a boy with him, one for a demon. Mark 9 verse 14 verse 27. One for a man take him picking him come to Jesus. This a boy having got one for a spirit no good where every time him trying to spoil him. Time this a spirit no good him look him Jesus, him throw this a boy on ground and him trying to spoil him. Father blow this a boy, him cry and him say awesome, why so you have help me to follow? Jesus him say long him, everything him alright no more yes suppose you believe long God. Then Jesus him command him this a spirit no good for come out this a boy. Wait him one for a big for a cry, this a spirit no good him come out and him no go back more. Jesus him got him power when him got the spirit here, long this a ground and long this a wall by him come behind. Little bit time no more behind this one, I got a lead along Jew, I got to kill him Jesus. But him no this one no more one for the biggest miracle Jesus him dream, long I got the time him stop. Him come up more from die. Jesus him win him Satan and die for all the time. True to us now, Jesus now him one for the true God.